go to Google Images. So if you have to type in Google Images, it'll get to this screen. Type in whatever you're looking for your subject matter of your artwork. An example might be a Lamborghini, a certain kind of car. I would use this search tools. I strongly advise you to use this. Click on Tools, then go over here to Size, switch it to Large. This changes the resolution. If you're just looking for the subject matter without an environment, I would try to find it with a open background, such as here. This has a white background or transparent background with just the object. Do not grab the thumbnail. These right here are thumbnails. When you click on any of them, they open the higher resolution image in this black background window. Okay? This is the higher resolution image.